Hello YouTube, it's Nicola speaking. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to utilize our previously gathered knowledge about Elementor elements, and we are going to build this contact section with this text here, with map, icons with these informations, another text, the contact form here, and in this column we are going to have this background image with this text and nice entrance animations for this paper airplane. All of these sections I already covered in my previous tutorials. I will put the links into the description. What I want you to do is to watch all of these videos and try to build this section on your own, because this will be the great exercise for you. Now, pause this video, watch previous tutorials, build this section, and later on you will see how I came up with the solution. Also, I don't want to do the responsive thing now. I want you to do that by your own, because I think you have that knowledge. Try, and in comments you can ask me whatever you want. I will help you. Before we start, support me and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to smash the bell. Let's go. Here I already created one page, and now I'm going to add one section. This will be section without gaps. Now let's set the background color. Now let's add some text here. Let me copy. The text, set the alignment. Here let's reduce the margin bottom. Beneath that, let's add one divider. And here set the icon, this icon here. The icon color will be orange, our primary color actually. And let's set the alignment. This is the width. Okay, and also let's subtract the bottom margin for this text element, just like this. Okay, let's go on style. The color for divider actually will be almost black, and color for icon will be orange. Okay, this is our divider, and beneath that we have one inner section. In first column, let's add the map. You already saw how to do that, I hope, so I will speed up this process. Okay, now let's set this width of this first column to be 60%, and the second one will be 40%. Now in the second one, let's add icon box. Also, this kind of layout, this kind here, you can achieve with this general element called icon list, but we didn't do that so far. So we will stick to the icon box. Okay, now change the icon, choose the left alignment, delete heading, and here let's copy the phone number. Let's change the color on the text of the phone actually, and change the font. You already know how to do that, I think. The spacing is okay, the size. And for content, let's add this kind of spacing, and vertical line will be middle. Okay. Now let's add the another icon for working hours. This is the break line, the tab from HTML, and without it we have all our text inline, but we want second line, second row actually, and voila. Okay, now and the third icon, let's duplicate it, and here type the map and choose, for example, this icon. Okay, now let me copy the address. Again with BR tag, and in style you can change the font weight for this text, but I don't want to do that now, but you can. Now let's change the alignment for our icon. I want to set to be centered here, and I'm going to add some padding for this column here. This will be 30% on the left, here 30%. Okay, and also let's align it in vertical line. Now let's add some room between those images, those icons actually. In advance, let's add the margin is okay. Bottom, for example, 40 pixels. And for this one also. This is our icons. Now I'm going to add the border on those sides here. Okay, select this column, go to style, check the border, click on choose border type solid, and unlink these values and add 2 pixels top, right, and bottom. This is the color. Voila. Okay, and also you can change the border radius, for example, right, set to be 2 pixels, and bottom also 2 pixels. Let me update to show you our work so far. This is our border, our shadow behind our map. Here you can add some spacing if you want. Okay, now beneath that, let's add some text. We can copy this heading here and drop it down there. Okay, change the bottom margin and type here for bottom 60 for top 60 and for bottom 60 pixels also. And text will be this one here. Let me copy it. Feel free to drop us a line anytime. In style, let's change the font a little bit. For example, 38 pixels. Okay. Now, beneath that, we need another inner section with 2 columns. In the first one, I'm going to set the contact form. I hope that you watched the videos in the description, because in my last video, I created the contact form. Watch this video. I don't want to do that. Just as I said on the beginning, here on elements, type WP, drag and drop this element in left column, and here choose the blank form. Here, this is the simple form with name, first, last name, email, comment, or message. Okay, just remove this columns gap here, and I'm going to add, let's go one step back. I'm going to add some shadow on this contact form, actually on this column. Click here on this column icon, choose the border, and just click on here. Here you have the settings for box shadow, but I don't want to do that. And don't forget to add some padding. For example, 20 pixels on all four sides. Okay? In this column here, I want to add the text. So I'm going to drag and drop this text feature, text element actually. Let's type text. Don't forget to set the BR tag. Okay. Sorry, let's copy it and paste it there. Now it's much better to paste this code because in this text tab here, not in visual, because you have this BR breaking rule tag actually. Okay, now go to style, center our text. Let's choose darker color for font, change the font family actually, and set the font size and also font weight. Okay, now let's align this text in vertical line actually, and beneath that let's add one icon that will be paper airplane, this one here. For it, change the animation, change the color to be white, and set the motion effect entrance animation to be fade in up, just like this. Okay, change the text for this widget here. Actually, I need the white, not the darker color. And now let's add the background image for this right column. Click on style, first on this image icon for column here, then style. In background, choose the classic way, choose the image. I already added this image from pixels actually, and set the background overlay. I need the black one with 0.5 transparency, opacity actually. Okay, I think this is all. Click on update to save our work. You can reduce the spacing between this heading and section. Okay, this is our complete project with contact us title, some text, divider, Google Map, some icons with informations, another text, contact form, and this column here. I forgot to center our image. Click here on column and choose this background options. Position will be center, and without repeating, and size will be color. Okay, now it is much better. Let's change size of our font, for example. Again, save our work. And this is it. Okay, we have our project completed. I hope that this exercise is very helpful to you. Also, I hope that you try to do it on your own. Before the end, please subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell, and see you soon. Bye bye.